Hi, I'm Byron with aspectsofdecor.com and Viewpoint, and today in this clip we're going to show you how to pot an artificial tree in a container. We're going to be using a 9-foot olive tower. The first thing you want to do is locate a container that's the proper width for the tree that you are potting. This particular container is a Vietnamese clay container, and it's just about the right width and height for this particular artificial tree. It sets in there, and in this particular case it's fairly snug. But before we show you how to pot this, I want to show you a shortcut of what you can do to take a 9-foot tree and maybe make it into a 9.5-foot tree without having to pay extra for the height. What you'll do is find some foam. You can use green foam or construction foam that is purchased at a home improvement store. It's called pop-outs. And in this case we have a 4-inch block of foam, and on top of it we're going to put a 2-inch block to build this up. And after we build this up, we can go ahead and put the tree back in, and you can see we have now a 9.5-foot tree, and it can be potted from this point on. Also, one thing that you'll want to do is to make sure that the space between the container and the tree itself is shored up and stabilized using smaller pieces of foam like this, putting this along the outside of the tree and between the tree and the container to make sure it's stable and secure. But for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to take this extra foam out. Put the tree in the container, make sure it's stable and it's secure. Then we're going to build the area up inside the container with paper. You can use newspaper or packing paper. And pack this loosely in place, that just simply as a space holder. Then we use moss to finish it out. You can use sheet moss, which is a higher quality. It tends to be more natural and green in color, or you can use a gray Spanish moss. Either one can be purchased at a craft store. Placing the moss loosely around on top of the paper leaves this a natural look and a finished look for your artificial tree.